How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about how to use and install the Air Products Review tool or plugin or external API for your Shopify store. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So in this video, we'll be talking about its key features, the pros and cons, how to use it, and how to install it. Because let's face it, what better way is there to build trust with your customer base than with actual customer testimonials and reviews? So Air product reviews is one of the surefire ways to do that, because let's actually face it, a lot of the reviews or claims that companies make are false or forged or most of the time rigged. So let's face it. But one thing that's foolproof and unalterable are actual customer reviews, so not the fake ones. So Air product reviews is one way to do that. So with this way, you basically build a rapport with your audience and customer base by displaying highly rated reviews, real reviews by customers who've bought products from your store. So it's a pretty cool tool that actually embeds the review of these users and sharing their experience with the rest of the world. So I think that's pretty cool. So first order of business is we need to set up our Shopify store. So this much is obvious. And assuming that you guys have done all of that, so you've set up your store, you've configured the settings, you've registered your products, given your store name, you've signed up for an account, and blah blah blah. You've fixed up all of the ads and tracking data, and so on and so forth. You're ready to actually add the application, being Air product reviews, to your Shopify store. And to do so is quite simple. So the first thing that you guys need to do is you need to log into your Shopify account or your Shopify store as an administrator. So once you guys are here, what we're essentially looking for is the Shopify App Store. So this can be accessed two ways. So the easy way is to just type it down in the search bar, and the other way is to click on the drop-down arrow on the Apps tab on the left-hand side of your screen, and it should show up here as the App Store, but either way is really fine. So we're just going to do it the easy way. So type apps here, and you want to click on apps and sales channel settings. So this is going to redirect you to a page where you get to configure and manage your apps. So as you can see, these are the apps that I have installed for my Shopify store. So there's Sesame. So this one is for booking appointments. eProlo, which is conversion and drop shipping. Track123, which is analytics and statistics. Zoppy, I think is also drop shipping, but exclusively for AliExpress. AutoDS, also drop shipping. So that's cool. Now, what we're looking for here is Air product reviews. So what we're going to do is click on the Shopify App Store on the top right corner of our screen. So this is going to redirect you to their App Store page. So Shopify is going to pull up all of the plugins and tools that you can install to your Shopify store. So if you can't find Air product reviews here, we can type it down in the search query or the search bar, like so, Air product reviews, and it should show up here. And here it is, Air product reviews app and UGC. So I should mention that in most cases, the apps or tools in Shopify store are paid. However, some have free trials or some are completely free. So most of them will actually have you set up an account and actually require you to pay money to use their features and services. So let's see if Air product reviews is the same deal. So we're going to click on it, and it's going to redirect us to their product page. So here we are, and it looks like it's free to install, which is awesome. So what we're going to do is click on install, and this is going to redirect us to the Air product reviews page or the website. Or in most cases, I don't think it's actually going to require us to sign up. Instead, it's going to ask for authentication to integrate into our Shopify store, which is cool. So here it is. Basically, it's essentially just asking for permission. So we're just going to click on install so it properly integrates. So let's wait for it to install. And here we are. Okay, cool. So let's actually set this up. What type of business are you running? So we can do print on demand. So basically t-shirts. So services like Printify, a retailer, business to business, B2B, direct to consumer or customers. So let's actually do print on demand. So the Air product reviews actually tailors your the interface and dashboard depending on what business model you guys are running. So in this case, let's do actually instead of print on demand, let's do retailer since it's probably the most common one. So where we'd like to install it. So it's up to you which directory you guys want to install it to. It could be your default theme store or one of your installed themes. So in my case, let's do Spotlight. Click on continue as normal. And okay, so we're going to enable app embed so it actually shows up on our store. So this one is quite simple. This one is essentially a setting to toggle the reviews that would show up on your store, whether you want to display them or showcase them or not. Okay, so normally this would be a setting that's available if you're not on incognito, but I am, so but it's pretty much the same deal. If you guys are on your normal browser, you just enable the app embed and that should be good. Okay, so next step. Okay, install later. Add a review box. So this one actually shows you the user reviews and so on. So next step. Install later, recent skip, and the star rating. So all of these are elements to actually boost your the rapport and trust between you and your audience. Click on next, install later, but you guys get the gist. So here are their plans. So obviously with the Pro plan, you get more features and access to everything. Enterprise, okay, I should rephrase that. Enterprise, you get access to all of their features, whereas with Pro, you get access to most of their features, including Klaviyo, Google Shopping, and loyalty integrations. But for now, because I'm just doing a tutorial video, let's do the free package. Continue as free. And here's what it looks like. So here we actually get to configure how the layout or the embed will look when people go to visit our store. And we can activate it. Basically, it's a toggle button, display reviews, import reviews from our different stores, from different domains and whatnot, but you guys get the gist. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's essentially what Air product reviews is. So it helps you guys build trust with your audience and hopefully boost sales, or hopefully boost sales, I should say. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.